Good morning, this is Yan. I'm in Şanlıurfa in Turkey, and today I'm going to have a very exciting trip. I'm going to two different places, Harran and Akcakale. Harran is a place where human's earliest agricultural civilization was developed, and it is said to be the place where Eva and Adam fell onto the earth. And after that, I'm going south to Akcakale, a city bordering Syria. I don't think I can cross a border, but I'm super curious how it looks like. I'm not very certain with the bus schedule. I know there are buses in between Şanlıurfa and Harran, in between Şanlıurfa and Akcakale, but I don't know if there are any buses in between Harran and Akcakale. If there isn't, then probably I have to hitchhike or I have to choose one of the place. So wish me good luck.
10 minutes after going to Harran.
Okay, 10 minutes.
Akcakale. Akcakale'ye gitmek direkt. Yok, oradan sonra var mı? Var. Tamam, sen yardımcı olursun. This bus going to Harran. 10 minutes after going to Harran.
Okay, yeah, I'll stay here.
Come stay here.
Yeah.
Sen yardımcı olursun.
Teşekkür ederim. Chin. I didn't find a way and I asked the policeman and he took me to the bus. So this is a bus. I'm with Ahmed. It's a minibus. And right now I'm the only one on this bus. But he told me that he will collect people on the way.
Harran. خلاص فوتور عنينا.
Those cars, the yellow area, that's the edge of the Harran thing. So this is the gate to... I hope you can hear me because this place is very windy. So the whole archaeological site is in the middle of the Harran plain. Probably you can see over there, that's the mountains, and that's the end of the Harran plain. And in this place there are 1, 2, 3, 4 archaeological sites. That's the Harran gate. And those are the beehive houses. That is the first university on the earth. And this one is the Ulu Mosque.
Castle?
Castle not yet. I'm going to the castle right now.
Now.
Yes.
I go there by motorcycle. And you can see my museum house there. It is free. You don't pay anything.
Yeah?
Come.
Okay.
And show me in your camera.
Okay.
Come.
I can wait.
My name is Haldun.
Haldun.
Yeah.
Okay, nice to meet you.
What will you do after Harran?
I go to Akcakale. Yeah.
Akcakale, border.
Yes, to the border. Here we are, so those are the famous beehive house. There are probably 16 or 19 of them. All of them are linked together. I was just told by the guide that this house has a history of more than 200 years, and this group of house has the longest history. It's actually very hot outside. I think outside the temperatures may be 35 degrees, but inside this place it's pretty cool.
Welcome again. My name is Abraham. I am owner of these houses. This is the houses 260 years old. Making 3 countries. First place Harran, and second place Syria. Syria nearly here, just border 18 kilometers. And third place in Italy. You know Italy, you heard? In
Yes.
historical book, in Puglia, Al Barabello Trulline, in Puglia city, in Italy. This is the brick stone, Khorasan mortar used that. Made straw and eggs. With eggs. Mix it, yeah, and then make it brick stone. In Harran people, original from the Iraq people. in 19th century, when they come here, they get the stone from the university and the castle. After the building, these houses. Now nobody living that house. The people living just in modern houses. Now we are using it just for depot and for animal. We are every year repaired for the made and with straw. We must repair it.
You have to repair it
every year. We must repair it. This one. If we don't make it repaired, it's broken like this. Yeah.
Your family, where are they from? Like your grandparents, great-grandparents?
Yeah. 19th century, they are coming from the Iraq. Iraq. Yeah. Original Turkish people. We said in Turkish means Turkmen. Yeah. We are Turkmen, Turkish people. But we are speak Arabic. We can speak Arabic here. In this area, all the people speak Arabic. We must use this color for scorpion.
Scorpion.
You know scorpion?
Yes.
Scorpion, yeah, because blind to color, this sea color, this red. For them, it's not come here. It's not come here.
The blue color can scare the scorpions.
Yeah, for the scorpions. Rain doesn't come here because they make it calculation, the stone, 3 stone for the rain. We must open this one for the smoke because in winter time we make it fire here.
Yeah.
For the heat.
Yeah.
For then smoke go out with this one. This is the sitting room for guest room. Yeah.
Wow.
Turkish means haramlik and selamlık. You know? Selamlık just man sit here. Yeah. Haramlik just woman sit other side. Yeah. This is the just selamlık for the guest room. Original guest room. We said natural verbs guest room. Windows it must small.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you don't make it small, weather it's not come strong inside.
When it's small, the wind is stronger.
Stronger.
So welcome to the place where Adam and Eva fell onto the earth. This place is extremely hot, dry, and with very few rainfalls. And I'm wondering how this can be ideal for agriculture production. Actually, there is a network of irrigation system that is built on the Euphrates River, and that's why they are able to produce food in this dry land. So that's all about Harran. Now I'm going to Akcakale, and I asked some of the local people. They told me I have to wait here for 15 minutes. I have to take one bus and then change once again, and then I can reach the border. They told me the time, and then they also brought me a melon.
This is YouTube channel?
Yes, YouTube channel. Your name?
My name is Hassan.
Hassan. Nice to meet you. And your name?
Umar.
Hamed.
Omar.
Umar.
My name is
And yours, what's your name?
My name is Ahmed.
Samet. Nice to meet you. Ahmed.
Ahmed.
Ahmed. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So that's a bus? This one?
Yeah.
Okay. I have to go.
Şurada vereyim ben sana. Afiyet olsun, güle güle.
Güle güle.
Urfa,
Akcakale. Akcakale.
Akcakale direkt yok. Buradan bineceksin. Yol böyle gidiyor.
Oui.
Burada ineceksin. Tekrar bir daha arabaya binip Akçakale'ye gideceksin.
Okay.
Tamam. Yol.
And just to mention that this place is actually mainly the Arabs, so they speak Arabic instead of Turkish. I'm now waiting for the next bus. Akcakale!
Nereden böyle? Nerelisin?
Yan? Çin.
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 Burada ne yapıyorsun?
Turkish? No.
Even the English though.
Give me a ride to Akcakale. Your name? YouTube. He works in this fabric factory, so he told me that he will stop here and then he will again take me to the border. So that's what's happening now. He called his friend and his friend will give me a ride, and the communication is a bit difficult because he doesn't speak English, I don't speak Turkish, but then he called a friend who speaks English. And that's how it works. Oh.
Hi, gülüm. Syria.
You can really tell by the way they dress. The men sometimes they have a big scarf like that, and their chador, which is like a black dress that covers all the body. Checkpoint. This side is Turkey and that's Syria. Syria. Checkpoint. This is Turkey. Turkey. I cannot go outside and do any filming because it's forbidden, because they will think that I'm doing kind of an investigation. But the other side, you see there, the small tower there, that's Syria already. I am at the border on this other side. You see all those buildings, the trucks, that's already Syria. Before I come here, I asked my friend if it's safe, and then they told me in Turkey it's 99% safe, because now the buffer zones, it's taken care of by the Turkish soldiers. And on the other side, I was asking the driver and he said it's a PKK. And this is a real way. That's the fence. And on the other side, that's Syria. Just found this water is very beautiful, but also at the same time very strange and sometimes very weird. Up till now, the civil war in Syria is still going on. The country is now controlled by different powers. The people who are living in Syria, they cannot get out, whereas the Syrians who are living abroad, it's hard for them to go back to their country. And we took a ride in the city of Akcakale and we saw lots of Syrians who left their country and entered Turkey because of the war. It's just very unfortunate. I just hope that peace will soon come to this land. Thanks for watching and see you next time.